In today's video, I'm going to teach you GoDaddy Airo tutorial, how to build a website with AI in GoDaddy. We'll go from a blank slate to a live site using GoDaddy's AI builder called Airo, keeping the process simple and beginner friendly. First, head over to GoDaddy in your browser and open the website builder. On the landing page, look for the button that says Start for Free. Click that to create a new account or sign in to your existing one. If you're new, follow the prompts to set up your login. Signing in first ensures your progress is saved as you build so you won't lose any of your work. Next, Airo will ask a few quick questions about your business. Enter your business name, choose your industry, and share your primary goals for the site. Be specific here. For example, mention your city or niche if it matters, and clarify whether you want to collect leads, showcase a portfolio, take bookings, or sell products later. The more context you provide, the better Airo can shape the initial layout and content. Once you've filled that in, let Airo process your information. This usually takes just a moment. Behind the scenes, it's matching your details with a suitable theme, suggested pages, and example copy to give you a strong starting point without you staring at a blank screen. Almost instantly, you'll see a draft website. It includes a cohesive theme, pre-built sections, and stock content tailored to your industry. Treat this as a first draft. Click through the pages and note what feels right and what needs refinement. Think of it as a wireframe with a head start. It's faster to edit what's there than to build from scratch. Now it's time to personalize. Use the editor's sidebar to swap images, edit text, and adjust colors and fonts so everything matches your brand. Replace stock photos with your own or choose more relevant visuals. Keep headings clear and concise, and update paragraphs with your unique voice, services, and value proposition. Align colors with your brand palette for consistency and pick a readable font pair. As you tweak, check the mobile preview so your site looks great on phones, and keep an eye on spacing for a clean, professional finish. When you're happy with the result, click Publish to take your site live. Your site will launch on a free GoDaddy subdomain right away, which is perfect for sharing or getting feedback. You can connect a custom domain anytime from your dashboard to make it fully branded. That's it. You just built and launched a website with AI in GoDaddy. Keep iterating, update content regularly, and let your site grow with your business.